Aloha Hawaii lovers, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to Oahu. Today in this video, let's talk about transportation and how to get around the island. Whether it's a rental car, rideshare app, the bus, Turo, or Huey. Let's find the one that works best for you. What's a Huey? We'll talk about that later in the video. So if you're staying in Waikiki and you want to see beaches like that and like this and jump on beaches like that and see sunsets like this, the bottom line is you're going to need transportation. So let's start with the rental car. Many rental car companies across the United States had to sell a large portion of their fleet in order to stay afloat during COVID. The reduced number of available cars has made prices soar. Honolulu Airport has all the bigger companies and some smaller ones, either on-site at the terminal or off-site via a shuttle. I've usually found the best rates booking direct through the rental companies' websites themselves. It's also possible to find great deals on third-party websites. Costco has several travel services such as hotel and rental car options that you can book online. Another option is Expedia. Here I've put the same dates as Costco, but these prices seem a little less expensive. Beware though, because sometimes once a third-party company adds their fees and taxes, what may look like a great deal really isn't. One more thing about third-party websites, if you're going to book a rental car, pay up front. I've heard horror stories about people arriving on island and their rental car reservation is nowhere to be found. Another option is a rideshare, Uber or Lyft. If you're not familiar with rideshare apps, it's an app you can put on your phone. You put your credit card on file, and you open the app and put in where you'd like to go from point A to point B. There's no cash involved, there's no paying the driver. It's automatically charged to your card. So, for example, if you want to go from the Hilton Hawaiian Village down to Duke's, at this time of night it was between $10 and $15, but I've actually found it much cheaper. Next, let's talk about the bus. The bus can get you pretty much anywhere you want to go on the island. The bus has an app for your phone that's really not necessary, but it makes it easier to find prices and nearby bus stops. At $5.50 for a one-day pass, it may not be the fastest way to get from point A to point B, but it's definitely the least expensive. Next up, Turo. So if you know what an Airbnb is for a vacation rental home, think of Turo as the Airbnb for cars. Okay guys, let's talk about Huey. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. What's a Huey car share? Well, with Huey, you can rent a car for an hour or a day, reserve a date and time, and unlock the car through the app. Sounds pretty simple. Another thing that's simple enough is hitting that red subscribe button for more Hawaii tips and tricks, and finding fun things to do when you travel. Okay, we have a little bit of bonus content here. See this U-Haul van? Yes, we are actually going to talk about U-Hauls on a travel video. If you feel like a U-Haul is right for you, you can find a moving truck, pickup truck, or van via the U-Haul app, online, or over the phone. There's some food for thought there. I really hope this video helped you get some ideas on how to get around Oahu. If you made it to the end of this video, an extra special thank you. And if you're wondering where this beautiful body of water is, it's on the east side of Oahu at a place called Hawaii Kai. on the next Hawaii adventure.